Hi, I'm Jake, and on this rig rundown we're going to look at the old mate's DC-50. Now you might be wondering why I'm calling it old mate. Well, basically because we sell so many, we've just given it a nickname and they just fly at the door. So now we just refer to it as old mate. I actually don't know why we're doing this video because they pretty much just sell themselves. But in all seriousness, it is quite a high-powered, compact little unit. It is a little bit more powerful than your single horsepower dust extractor. It's very compact, so if you have a smaller workshop, if you have just a table saw or a bandsaw, it's very easy to get sufficient dust extraction in such a compact unit. So you can simply just tuck it away, keep it out of sight, and you're ready to go. It's also deceptively powerful for such a small unit, so you're going to get sufficient dust extraction with a reduced footprint. It's a handy little unit. It's good for guys who have, say, a table saw or a bandsaw set up, or you just need something to clean up the workshop with. It's also only a 50-litre drum, so it will fill up quite regularly depending on what kind of dust you're extracting, but it is lightweight, so it's very easy to do. Speaking of the deception of how powerful this motor is, despite its small stature, it does feature a 1.5 horsepower or 1100 watt motor, so the horsepower is definitely there. It's definitely going to give you a substantial amount of drawing power for such a small unit. It also has a 50-litre drum, which, as I touched on, is quite small, but again, it is a lightweight unit, so you should be able to empty that quite quickly. It features a 100mm or 4-inch port, and it comes as standard with a 2-metre length of 100mm hose. It also features a 0.5 micron filtration system. So to wrap up, the main features of this little unit are it's compact, it's a little more powerful than you would think, and it's very affordable, and it's easy to hide. And that's it for another video. So for more information, hit the links below. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to the page to help us grow, and I'll see you in the next video.